Mandeville.
Yeah, the top of this hill we're in Mandeville, basically. Second exit, so straight over. That's true, it is peaceful.
You're
about 2 miles, the roundabout.
Oh yeah, cool.
Do you want the window open?
Yeah, we can open it now, can't we? Proper. Oh, nice. Theirs has come on.
So he said the third right.
Don't make a mess. Don't. You alright, T? Do you feel a bit better after having some nice crisps? Oh, castles.
Yeah, and then...
Is that how big they are? They look like castles.
Someone's living in that, aren't they?
And where?
In there.
I assume the ones with cars, there's probably people in them.
Yeah, they're living in them. Down
Oh,
this
someone's
way.
drying their washing there in the bush. Beds in there. Yeah.
Supposedly you got to sign it off, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. Then as soon as you turn left here, you turn to the next left again.
And someone's washing, so someone's definitely in there.
Yeah, and supposedly it has to be complete from the outside. Guys, we're here. We found it. So look, there's
What's
a
the drop curb?
here. This is it.
Oh, okay, cool.
This is the drop curb.
Okay, so stop here, Hazy. Stop. So it's not that low down, really.
Nah, it's just down there.
Yeah.
And then... Alright, someone film me doing this.
Sorry. Just careful. Spiders and bits.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Watch out, Thee. Good boy. Well done, Daddy. No. Just careful, Tobes. Daddy's going to have a quick look. This is our land, guys. What's that?
That house is over there.
What, that middle one?
So you see where this house is here?
Yeah.
Well, obviously up north, but it's further than that.
Wow, nice.
Because that's where they built theirs, and ours is the same.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we are definitely gonna. Well, we can either clear it ourselves.
Yeah. We got from here all the way along to there, to where Toby is. And this is our beautiful land. There's lots of trees and bits. I know it's overgrown, but yeah, it's a lovely, lovely bit of space. Very, very exciting.
Jesus, it's a big plot, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the container and it's right at the back. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's like that. So have a look at this, because this is basically what we're going to be stealing. And look, they've got a little building at the back. I don't want to pay him the big.
Is it?
It's got 6 wheels and they all work.
Oh wow.
Jeez, have you ever seen anything like that? See the little under the air. Alright, so we just been to see our land and we're driving back from St. Elizabeth through Manchester, and we stopped off at an estate, but we stopped off at a place in Mandeville. Hey! we stopped off at a place in Mandeville and we weren't that smitten with it. How did you feel about it, Mish?
Yeah, I feel the same really. It looked nice, like it visually looked nice. It looked nice looking at it, but kind of the journey from Mandeville town to get to it was a little bit so yeah, I'm not so keen on it as I was to begin with. I don't know.
So you're feeling a bit disheartened about it. But the good thing about the land is basically, okay, so it's quite, on paper, it's quite a stuffy, like private gated community. Which there they said basically you can do whatever you want. So like that is a massive boost. But we can basically do whatever we want with the land, which is amazing. So that's a big positive. But the downside of the trip is that we weren't that pleased with the perf. We have to basically keep on looking for a place, and we're probably going to have to raise our budget for a place, which puts the pressure on a bit because the first choice is basically a no-go. So it means it would have been great if we could have just looked at it and been like, do you know what, this is great, but we can't do that. Oh yeah, how are you? Terrible, to be honest.
How are you?
Nah, nothing's happened.
No, nothing.
These kids, I'm getting it in the neck. Cheers, bye.
Yeah, stop the coffee.
So, Perth Estate Phase 2 didn't meet our requirements. Okay, there's no grills or grating on anything, so there's no security. Plus, it's like a fish bowl, so there's no barrier. There's no fences. Okay, so it is basically a no-go. So what we need to do now is we need to get home and we need to look at some more properties and get back to the estate agent, because we did have like 3 properties to view, but now apparently we got like none. Why can't we see them tomorrow, Mish?
Because 2 of the sellers live far away and they need to like arrange an open day for us to view them. Remember, one of them, the ladies didn't think it was suitable. She didn't seem to like the seller.
All right, well anyway, back to the drawing board. I'm going to keep looking, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we can find a place within the next week or 2, week and a half really. That's what we got.
Pressure's on.
So the pressure is on, and I think that's what we're feeling. Anyway, ciao. So right now we're driving back to Kingston, and the morale I feel like is a little low. Hopefully after everyone's got back and had a rest, because we've been driving all day basically, we're gonna feel a bit better about things after we've had some rice and steak has cooked for us. Oh wait, actually she ain't cooking because she's going to church. But she is seasoning the meat. I'm getting everything out, so we'll be cooking it and finishing it off. So that's cool. And if you noticed, you've noticed that there's a lot more. When we came in September, we didn't see that many white people, and since we've been here this time around, we've seen, like, in one day I think we saw more than we did the whole entire 2 weeks last time. So
That's true.
yeah, so we'll see. That's interesting. That ain't gonna work, is it? Alright, so we're going straight ahead, aren't we? Alright, so yeah, what were you saying, Mish?
Nothing, just saying about my head hurts and my tooth.
No, I meant like the plan for tomorrow.
Yeah, plan for tomorrow. Need to get a bank card. Got a bank account, just need a bank card.
To the Jamaican bank account, for obvious reasons. And then after we've done that, what do you reckon we should do, darling?
Yeah, then after we've done that, we could, so that's in Kingston, we'll probably go to the bank there. We could go look at some cars. So we could go to a car dealership.
Yeah, so maybe we'll look for some cars.
Or we could do something fun.
If we can't get like a flat in the very near future, or get one lined up at least to look at. We're gonna have to get a car like ASAP, and there's a chance that we might actually have to sleep in the car next to our plot or our lot, which isn't ideal, obviously. But you know, that's basically the way we might be living in a car.
Yeah.
At least it'll be cheap, I suppose. So yeah, if we can't get a place, then it's going to be living in a car, and we'll see how that goes, man. But we don't even own the lot yet, do we? Like,
no, that's the other.
So we've paid, and it's all been finalised and been sent off, etc. But we don't actually have the title deeds yet. So it's like at the final stages of completion. So you know, it could come through the final documents or whatever, like, you know, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, who knows. But basically we're waiting on the actual papers to come through to us, even though we've paid and it's all gone through and everything's cool. We'll have to wait and see. We need like a Toyota Hiace or a Pro Box, or something that we can actually lie down in.
So hopefully in the next week we can sort out our money, sort out our car, and sort out a place to live.
I'll go to the bank, sort that out, move all the money across. We need to find an actual suitable place of residence, gated preferably, and we also need to find a car, don't we?
Yes, we do.
So fingers crossed, we'll see how it all goes. So we're going through the toll right now. I'm gonna say Wagwan bread bin for the first time. Yes, bread bin.
No, the cameras.
What? I might buy that.
I mean, I wouldn't.
What? Say it. You'll try it one time or another, haven't you? Yes. Hello. Hey, can I pay? Do I need to? Can I be? What, one person? Yeah, what, one car? Or do I have to pay? She got me, man. Thank you, madam. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. She's got jokes, that lady.
I think it's a funeral.
Is it?
Yeah, there's something pulling out a thing. Don't put it near Hazel's hair, please, the fan.
Need to get this teaching job, man. As well, don't we?
Yes.
You alright? What did you think of the family land that we just bought? Yeah, anything else? There's
Are you
a lot.
happy with it?
There's a lot of work there, isn't there?
Yes, there was days we had a family we ran to Jamaica.
Yeah, that's right. Well done, Hayes.
Good job.
Theo, you're going to build a house on there, aren't you, T?
Are you going to use your tools to build the house?
What tools are you going to use to build the
I'll
land?
go to
Build the house? A hammer? What? What do you want to do tomorrow then, darling?
Yeah, we'll go to the bank and maybe check out cars.
Did you want to actually go in the bank? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go into it and ask for a card.
Yeah, and then
And
after you've done that, are you going to
then I'll
like
follow
send
it up
them
with an email.
Yeah, that email thing, and then you can call them as well.
Transfer gets done.
like cashews.